Welcome to Psycho Higher, where we embark on an exciting journey of self-discovery. Have you ever wondered how understanding yourself can transform your life? In today's video, we'll explore 10 essential aspects of self-awareness that can enhance your personal growth and enrich your relationships. Get ready to dive deep, laugh a little, and unlock the secrets to living your most authentic life. Let's get started. 1. Your values. Core beliefs. Think of your values as the GPS guiding your life. If integrity is your North Star, you might find yourself speaking up against unethical practices at work even if it feels like jumping into a shark tank. When your actions align with your values, like choosing family game night over another late work email, you bask in the glow of authenticity and fulfillment. 2. Your strengths and weaknesses. Self-recognition. Acknowledging your strengths is like discovering you have superpowers. If you're a whiz at public speaking, you might volunteer to lead presentations. Cue the applause. On the flip side, recognizing weaknesses, like procrastination, Netflix binge, opens the door to improvement. Embracing both sides fosters resilience and encourages continuous growth. 3. Your emotions. Emotional intelligence. Being aware of your emotions is like having a backstage pass to your own mental concert. If stress turns you into a grumpy cat, recognizing this pattern can help you implement stress-busting techniques like yoga or deep breathing before you unleash the beast. This emotional awareness helps you navigate life's challenges with grace. No more accidental meltdowns in public. 4. Your personality traits. Social navigation. Understanding whether you're an introvert or extrovert is key to social survival. If you're an introvert, you might prefer cozy coffee dates over raucous parties because who needs small talk when you can dive deep into existential discussions? This self-awareness helps tailor your interactions, making them feel more authentic and enjoyable. 5. Your goals and aspirations. Vision for the future. Clarifying what you want out of life is like creating a treasure map for your dreams. If becoming a published author is on your list, setting short-term goals like writing a chapter each month turns that dream into a reality. No pirate ship required. This clarity fuels ambition and gives each day purpose. 6. Your communication style. Expressive clarity. Recognizing how you express yourself can enhance relationships significantly. If you're more comfortable sending thoughtful emails than engaging in spontaneous conversations, awkward silence alert. This insight helps you navigate social situations more effectively. You'll be the master of written communication who needs small talk when you have eloquent emails. 7. Your coping mechanisms. Resilience building. Understanding how you handle stress is crucial for mental health. If exercise is your go-to stress reliever, incorporating regular workouts becomes a non-negotiable part of your routine. Goodbye stress. Hello endorphins. By cultivating healthy coping strategies like mindfulness or journaling, you build resilience that empowers you to tackle life's ups and downs with confidence. 8. Your relationships. Support system reflection. Reflecting on the quality of your relationships is vital for emotional well-being. If certain friends feel more like energy vampires than cheerleaders, recognizing this can lead to healthier connections with those who uplift you instead, because who needs negativity in their life? Surrounding yourself with positive influences enhances your mood and fosters personal growth. 9. Your self-talk. Inner dialogue awareness. Pay attention to how you speak to yourself. This inner dialogue can either be your biggest cheerleader or harshest critic. If you're preparing for a job interview and think, "I'll probably mess up," flip that script. Remind yourself of past successes or affirmations like "I am capable." Cultivating a compassionate inner voice empowers you to chase goals with confidence. 10. Your impact on others. Empathy development. Consider how your actions affect those around you. If a colleague shares their struggles and you respond with empathy instead of judgment, it fosters a supportive environment that strengthens connections because we all need a little kindness in our lives. Understanding that your behavior influences others encourages thoughtful interactions and cultivates responsibility toward building positive relationships. As we wrap up this enlightening journey of self-discovery, remember that understanding yourself is the key to unlocking a more authentic and fulfilling life. By embracing your values, strengths, and even your quirks, you pave the way for deeper connections and lasting happiness. So, keep exploring, keep laughing, and don't forget to share your insights with us in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more transformative content. Let's continue this adventure together at Psycho Higher.